Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Boult Audio Rito Pro. Left side of this earbud is not working completely. It is completely dead. You can see right side light is blinking here. It is ready for pairing. But left side it is not working completely. So we need to replace the battery here. So alright, without wasting any time, let me replace the battery of this side. So we have to give some heat over here to take this apart so that we can have the access to the battery. So let me do that and come here. So now slowly by doing like this it will come out. So this is the battery here. So we have to take out this battery. So this battery we have to replace. This is the bad battery, I think. So alright, I have the similar battery so that I can replace the earbuds so that it will start working again. So this is the battery I am going to use. Just we have to remove this battery and install this battery. Just we have to check carefully. The red goes to plus and the black wire goes to minus of this battery. So alright, let me take out the wires of this battery and I'm going to install in this battery. So as you can see, I have taken out this old battery and I have installed the new battery. Just I have to insulate it, then I have to position it in the earbud. So let me insulate this. So you can see I have insulated already. Now it's simply time to just clip this. That's it, it has been back to its place. Now it's time to put the earbuds inside the case. So let's see whether it starts working or not. So now you can see this has started working. That's it. So the battery was the problem and even this side is already working. You can see light is blinking. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.